Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open the Start menu and type Control Panel into the search field. Press Enter, and then click Power Options in the Control Panel list. Find your active power plan and click Change Plan Settings next to it. This opens the screen brightness and turn off the display options for that plan. You can set different timeout values for on battery and plugged-in modes. Make note of the current settings before you adjust them if you need to revert later. In the Change Plan settings, use the Turn off the display drop-down menus. Choose a timeout value for on battery and another value for plugged in, using minutes or never. Typical values include 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes depending on your needs. After selecting your desired values, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Windows 7 applies the new settings immediately across your user session, and background apps continue to run normally. For more control, click Change Advanced Power Settings in the Plan Editing screen. Expand the Display section to fine-tune console lock display, off timeout, and adaptive brightness settings. Use the Sleep section to ensure the display timeout and system sleep are coordinated. If you want persistent configurations, create a new power plan with Create a Power Plan on the left. Saving a custom power plan keeps your screen timeout preferences across user profiles and future system restarts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.